So, I'm sick. I picked up a cough cold thing, and it's really annoying. I kind of feel like I'm walking around and I've had, yeah, it kind of feels like I've just had 3 beers all the time, like just a little bit of a buzz. But anyways, we are here to talk about one thing today, and that is that I sold my Audi R8. Yeah, I sold it back at the end of November 2024. And basically in this video today, I wanted to address why I did that. Oh, my tea's going. So for those that don't know the history of my Audi R8, I bought it in 2021 and I went out to Utah, drove it back to Colorado, and I had always wanted a car with this kind of layout where it was, you know, a V10 in the back. I wanted it to sound great, wanted it to look great, and be good for driving. And for the most part, the Audi R8 met all of those needs and was pretty much exactly what I thought it was going to be, which was awesome. It wasn't really a case of, you know, the whole, oh, don't meet your heroes sort of thing. It was definitely a good decision to purchase this car and drive it around as much as I did. I put about 20,000 miles on it over about 3.5 years. And it was interesting because like the final year of ownership and particularly like the final 3 months of ownership, I just kind of noticed that my car tastes were changing. I wasn't as enthused about the supercar layout. Oddly enough, I kind of felt like I was getting bored with the car, which is crazy to say. But on top of that, like the final months of ownership, the repair frequencies and the repair costs were also increasing. That further soured the mood and made me want to get out of that car and into something else. There was this moment where I had the realization of like, I don't really enjoy the look of the car as much as I did. I didn't really enjoy the driving experience as much as I used to. So it's funny because it's like a lot of people idolize this car and, you know, so many people want it, and I feel very privileged that I was able to own it for as long as I did. But there comes a time and place with a car like this where, you know, if you're not feeling it and you're not driving it nearly as much, it's time to let it go. And a lot of people are like, oh, were you sad about selling it? And the answer is no. I was actually pretty thrilled to say see you later to the Audi R8 and move on to something else. But the really cool thing is I was able to sell it to some other YouTubers out of New Mexico, and they're all engineers of some sort. I think primarily mechanical and electrical, if I'm not mistaken, but they're called the No Traction Faction, and there's probably gonna be some content made with the Audi R8. They told me what they're planning on doing with it. It's pretty exciting. I'll definitely put a link in the description to their channel. I highly recommend you go and subscribe to them and just see how the Audi R8 project continues. But I did pick up a new car recently, and it's pretty sweet, and I'm very excited to share it with you guys. So today is going to be a shorter video, just kind of, you know, again, saying goodbye to the Audi R8. Just get ready for the next video. It's gonna be super cool, and I can't wait to share what I bought with you guys. So I'm also grateful that it went to another automotive enthusiast home, and it's going to be greatly appreciated for what it is. That was one of my primary concerns when selling it, is that I just wanted it to go to somebody that was going to continue working on it and just getting it out there, continuing to drive it on public roads, and just bringing smiles to those who appreciate cars like this. So, you know, from road trips to car shows to new business connections, new friends, it was like truly a 5 out of 5 experience, and honestly, it was way less maintenance than I thought it was going to be. Even with like various track days here and there, as well as road trips, like again, just really good experience. Also, I do apologize if this video isn't super coherent. Being sick and trying to create a YouTube video is a little bit challenging. That being said, I do want to show what it was like during the day that I sold the car. So yeah, that's what you're gonna see coming up here next. Well guys, yeah, that's right. The R8 is probably going to be sold today. We got some other YouTubers that are actually coming in from New Mexico. They're driving in and then driving this back, which is pretty sweet. So I honestly wouldn't really want to have that any other way. It's probably one of the best hands that it could transfer over to. I just haven't been driving it nearly as much, haven't really enjoyed it as much as I used to. Like just the last 2 months, it's been like, yeah, this isn't really my thing anymore. So yeah, so we're gonna go and meet up with them probably in about an hour, and hopefully they like what they see and they move forward with it. Yeah, the next car that I'm going after, it has a V12, and I'll give you guys a little teaser. New owner!
What's up? How's it going?
Yeah, we just got the deal done, which is awesome. So R8 is officially out of the Mr. Curiosity world and into
the No Traction Faction channel. So now we're gonna be doing some content on this on our channel back home. But yeah, I mean, how do you feel now that you're getting rid of your R8?
Honestly, really good. This thing's been sitting for a little bit too long and it was making me sad, and I'm just glad it's going to like another car enthusiast as well as a you know, passionate YouTube channel. So
yeah, definitely.
I couldn't have sold it to better people, so
no, definitely appreciate it. I'm super stoked. This is my dream car. It's been the car that I've wanted since they've come out, you know, since iRobot. I mean, that's kind of been a big inspiration in my life. So hey, now I'm here. Super nice car. Super excited to get to know it a little bit.
Yeah, sweet. Congratulations, man.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, of course. There we go. See you, man.
Hey, let's go. Later, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Congrats.
Good luck on your endeavors.
What's that?
Good luck on everything.
Oh, thank you very much.
Later,
appreciate it.
Appreciate all the help.
Thanks, man. Likewise. Have a good one. See ya. Oh, wait. I'll help you out. Oh. You know what I just realized? I gotta get the plates off. Sorry, 1 second. Well guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. I'm excited to give you guys a little teaser about what's coming up next. Got my eye on a couple of these, so pretty excited to share it with you. It's gonna be something completely different. And the car itself is a little bit of an enigma. There's some information about it out there, but not a whole lot. So teaser coming at you now. I upload every single Sunday, so I will see you in the next one.